So till the time, whatever we have seen it, right? How we can create a simple deployment file, and this deployment file, or you can see YAML file, especially for the type of pod, right? So we have simple name we have given. This pod name is banking pod. We are creating into namespace banking pod, and we have two containers, correct? So in that scenario, what we are doing it here now, let's say, so we are just going, still we are facing, when you are using that, if you wanted to, you can use the kubectl create command and you can create the pod. And if you wanted to see the state, and it is saying crash loopback off for banking pod. So nothing is ready in out of two, correct? So we are just trying to debug it now. So in that scenario, you can use the kubectl describe pod banking pod. Okay. So -n, because it is not into a default. So here you will see that error pulling failed to pull an image Halloween, right? So it is not available. This repository does not exist. This CH Ashish. So this is not, name is not correct. That's why it is facing here. Correct. Pull the image. You see, so image pullback is basically we are facing a problem for this particular image, which is I have provided. Busybugs was very successful. So that's why we are facing this issue here. Okay. So let's do some changes. This is the way you need to find out exactly why we are facing the problem. Correct. So there is a multiple ways you can debug it, right? For any pod. If, if you are talking about networking, so there is a different ways you can, what we can call is for debugging the networking, if you are not able to. So here actually that my, this repository name is CH Ashish. So now again, I'm saying it here. So again, I need to either I can just run that kubectl apply, or maybe I can say kubectl replace. Okay. File. So my file name was my pod. Oh, hyphen I can say forcefully. So it will delete and it will create again. Now it is being created again. Now we can say kubectl pods -n banking pod. That is a namespace. Now here it is saying that at least one pod is ready. Okay. Right. One container is basically running here. And another container is not ready here. So in out of two, there is a one is ready here. That is the way you can just say, because we have provided a two container. Let's say again, we can just discuss kubectl describe pod. Thank you. So in the namespace -n. So the namespace is also his name is a banking. So you see, particularly created a container, started a container Spring Boot app, successfully pulled the image busybox, backup restart. So this busybox image is basically creating some problem. Now busybox is also created and started. Now again, we will see wait pause. Still, we are just facing some problem related to particularly for one of the container is having some issues here. Okay, because these both the containers are not running here properly. Okay. So you can read that entire details about this pod, right? What are the images we are populating here, pulling it, right? These images, then how we are, you can say, creating a container from them like that. So you can just check. So first it is saying that busy box, that it was into a waiting state, press loop back off, terminated and the completed. So this busy box container is, I guess, still creating some problem here. Back off, restart, fail, like this. Correct. You see here. Yes. So you can also see the logs, right? And if you wanted to have a particularly little details, so you can see, specify for a particular container if you wanted to see. So you can specify for the container name is a busy box. So you can say for entire, what we can call as for a pod, you can just say banking pod. So you can see the logs also. So these many logs. So here we are saying, in this log we are saying this is our Spring Boot app log we are just seeing here. This log you can also see and you can check is this container is up. You see the container is up and it is running fine here. This is the way you can specify and you can check it, how to checking the logs here. You can also see the logs with the individually with the containers. So you can say -c busy box. So we are not getting any particular logs here for a busy box container. So still we are just facing is for this busy box image related issue. So that is we need to debug it correctly. So this is the way you can just see and you can check it out. Maybe you can specify the particular this image with a particular, you can say version and proper details, because I have just given in a busy box. Maybe that would be a reason here, but we have seen that this busy box image is very, we got it, is pulled it, but there is a other issues we are facing it, right? So I have just given that just as a name, but if you have any other specific image which is working and running, so then you can just give it and then you can try it. Okay. So this is the way you can create that particular file here. Our Spring Boot app is currently working, app container is running fine inside this pod in banking app, banking pod, and it is running into namespace as a banking pod. Okay. So for that busy box, maybe you can give a proper image, running copy of image, and then you can try and you can check it. So I hope it really makes sense for the debugging purpose, for how you can debug that particular container or debug the particular pod here.